Okay, so quick update on the bird feeder. You might notice that it has no bird seed in it anymore. That's because the wind, as you can probably hear, has been absolutely terrible here, and it literally blew all of the bird seed out of the bird feeder.
Yep.
Ooh.
I was getting a little bit discouraged because no birds were landing on it, and we couldn't quite figure out why, but we did get our first bird today, a bluebird. But yeah, there was no food for it when it landed, and it's funny, it looks around like, what the heck is this? There's no food. So we're gonna doctor this up and try to keep the bird seed from blowing out.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape up the hole and make it a little bit smaller so that not as much bird seed comes out. Because I think the bird seed's coming out too fast, and when the wind blows it off of here, it just keeps pouring out, and it took we had a bad windstorm, and it only took half a day.
Yeah.
Half a day for it all to blow away. So first, let me pour some bird seed in.
I'm sure you can hear the wind. Well, look, it's blowing everywhere. Whoa, there it goes.
Okay, so you can see that it's trying to blow it away again, but here, I've got an idea. Let's push some of this back. Probably should have done this before I put the bird seed
Yeah, I was wondering about that.
Oh well.
I figured you had planned.
Well, here, watch. Just push some over here, and we'll throw it on the ground so that it gets them used to it. That's what was happening.
Yeah.
So watch, I have an idea. I'm going to take a little bit of strawberry jelly, and I'm going to spread it around on here to make it kind of sticky. And that'll give the bird seed something to stick to, and hopefully it won't all blow away. So see, now the bird seed will, see that? It sticks to it.
Nice.
It sticks to it, and I think that's going to work good. Yep. So now the bird seed will just stay there and it won't get blown away as easy.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll get some more birds. We did get our first bird today, and it identified it as, what was it, a western bluebird?
Yep.
And it looks super cute. So hopefully we'll start getting some more birds. We were wondering if maybe the camera was freaking them out, and that's why they weren't landing on it. They're also, hi Scooter, they're also extremely focused on the bird pond when they come here. Like, they're just all about the bird pond. Scout, can you move out of the way? Thank you. Yeah, they're really focused on the bird pond, which is now full of bird seed. So I don't know if they're just ignoring this, didn't notice it, or don't like it because it's new, but
well, they can definitely see more bird seed on there now.
Yeah.
I mean, in fact, next time I might even come out and just coat the whole thing with jelly. That way it doesn't let any of the bird seed blow off of it.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll have some more pictures to show you guys soon. Hopefully this darn wind dies down.
Let's see if we can turn this a little bit more. That's as far as it'll go.
Yeah, we also turned it a little bit because it was facing the RV, and we realized that most of the pictures that it takes is, you know, there's all you can see is the RV, so the RV was kind of dominating the image. It's cool though, it's motion detected, so it detects each time a person walks by and each time the dog walks by, and it even says pet walking by, pet detected, person detected. So it's kind of like a little security camera too. All right, hopefully more bird pictures to come.
All right, everybody. I've got a new product here from a company that you probably already heard of, and I'm really excited to show this to you and really excited to set this thing up. So this is from a company called Redodo Power. You probably know them for making, they have a large line of really excellent lithium batteries. So this is one of their newest products out. This is a 40 amp MPPT solar charge controller. So this is almost the exact same thing as my Victron charge controller. It does all of the same things. It has Bluetooth and charges up to 40 amps. You can put almost 700 watts of solar into it. And look at this unit. First of all, it came really well packaged. Once again, we've got the high density foam. It's got a really large heat sink on the back. It's got 4 different mounting holes for it. It's digital. Like I said, it's also Bluetooth. I'm really excited about this unit. I've been looking for an alternative, a quality alternative to Victron. And it's only about, I'd say, 50% larger than my Victron charge controller. It's got all the same size hookups on it. It's got an external temperature wire, which you can hook up, which it comes with right here, which my Victron did not come with. I can't wait to check this out. And it has an LCD screen, which tells you a readout of what's going on when you're actually up at the unit. That is something else that the Victron does not have. It's got a real nice matte finish paint job on it. This is seems to me to be a really good quality product. So let's check this out. Let's see what it came with. One, it came with the temperature probe, which you plug in, and then it looks like you can just tape it up to close to your batteries or whatever. So if you were going to hook this up to, say, lithium batteries, and you didn't want this to charge when the temperature gets below freezing. Comes with a template for mounting the holes and a full set of instructions on how to mount this. I think that's excellent. This makes it so easy. This is something that a lot of units do not come with, is a template and a set of mounting instructions to make it real easy to get this thing mounted up properly. Comes with a nice set of instructions. I love instructions with pictures. Seems to be easy to read and straightforward. Yep, this is a detailed set of instructions. Detailed set of instructions on how to run the unit. This is excellent. Okay, it looks like it came with a whole bunch of different things for mounting this thing up. So this comes with everything. See that? Including little tiny pieces of heat shrink. Yep, right there. You can take your solar wire and you crimp these on or solder them on and then heat shrink it, and then this goes into the bottom of the unit. I like that. Very, very clean. You know, my Victron didn't even come with this. You had to strip the wires down to the right size to get them to fit. So stay tuned. I am going to be putting this unit up head to head against the Victron charge controller that I have, and we're going to see which one's better. We're going to see if this can do the same job or better. I can't wait to find out. So stay tuned.
Hey everybody! So I just wanted to give you a quick update on the bird situation here. So the good news is that putting the jelly on there so that the bird seed would stick to the thing has worked. And the birds have been coming in droves. We've been enjoying the heck out of this thing, and I put together a compilation of all the videos that we got from this past week from the bird feeder. So we also realized that it probably would have been better to point it the other way so that you have a nice scenic background rather than the background being the RV and the greenhouse, which was recently destroyed by the wind. But we pointed it this way because we want to watch them out of the window. So we've been enjoying it immensely. And there's one particular bird, we'll call him the frequent flyer. He is getting fat because he just comes every day and pigs out. So, oh, I also realized after reviewing the footage that we needed to point the camera down a little bit because as soon as they move in close to eat the seeds, you can't really see them. So I repositioned the camera and now you can see them better. The app that comes with it is really cool. It actually shows you, it gives you a little symbol by each clip. So if it's a bird shot, there's a little bird next to it. If it's a person walking by, there's a person. And if it's one of the dogs, it shows a little dog. So it makes it easy to filter out the clips and delete the ones you don't want. It also works good as like a security camera because it notifies you anytime a person walks by. So far it's only been us walking by, but it's nice to have a little security camera there. So I hope you enjoy this little montage of bird footage.